have an 8.5 by 24 enclosed cargo trailer with an extended stage sitting on top of two 7,000-pound axles. It has an awning and a rear gate door. Extended tongue with generator platform. The stage does lift up with a winch. It does have railings around the stage, along with stairs to get into the gate right there. The stage is held up with these crank jacks. You'll have a jack handle inside the trailer, but you could put a size 19 socket on an impact and it makes it a lot quicker. Come around to the back side. Large rear entry into the back. The view from inside looking out. Here are your winch controls. It's you do have the choice of a remote or a button, and I'll demonstrate how to put the stage up here in a second. Come around to the back side here. £7,000-pound axles. You'll see this rubber grommet right here. Behind that grommet is a grease fitting. Every 10,000 to 20,000 miles, I would pop that grommet off and just re-grease your axles, just to prolong the maintenance of the axles. Around to the front here, here's your 50 amp electrical plug-in. Before plugging in or turning on the power, make sure that the generator or breaker system is off. Once you've made sure that those systems are off, you can come in and plug your cord up. You're going to push in and twist to the right, tighten this collar. Once that's done, you can go to your breaker, your generator, and cut that on. Once it's running and operational, you should be good. When you go to pack up and you're ready to leave, go ahead and shut the power off to the breaker or generator, and just reverse the steps that I told you here. Loosen this collar, push in, twist to the left, and pull out, and then you can store the cable inside. Okay, come around to the awning real quick and I'll show you that retracting. When I'm doing these stage trailers, I like to shut the awning first when I'm closing everything up, and when I'm opening everything, I like to keep the awning shut. The stage will clear it, but just to be safe. All right. As you see, the awning is now rolled up. With that done, you can come over here to the center. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but it might be hard. Okay, as you can see, it has an opening there. You want to make sure that's always closed up before using the stage. Taking the railing down, you'll have some hardware, wing nut with a bolt. Okay. Okay. And come over here. Okay, sorry that was kind of loud. Again, kind of hard to do one-handed on these things. All right, so you can see the side railing folds in first. The front railing will fold in on top of it. Once that's folded in, take your winch hook here. Okay. You come over here to your controls. I like to stop it right about there. And then I'll come out here. You're just going to pop these off. I do have them numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to do this without shaking the camera too much. Okay. As you can see, we've got all the crank jacks taken off here. Come back inside. We'll use the button this time. There you go. Now it's closed up. You can come around to the front here. You'll see you have these bar locks. That's how you close up the stage. Go ahead and put these back inside real quick. Okay, here's your jacks. Come back here. Turn the lights off. That's the back all closed up. Also, you have grease fittings on all your hinges, so you can always fill those with grease over time. Just keep the hinges happy, you know? All right, 8.5 by 24, sitting on top of two 7,000-pound axles. If you have any questions, feel free to call. My name is Chris up here at SLE.